How to create a membership website with WordPress. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own membership website on WordPress. So let's get started. Now, for any website on WordPress, when you're trying to build a community, especially when you are building a blog and you're trying to start conversations with people, it's really important to have a membership area. Membership websites can help in ensuring that people have a space to communicate, people have accounts, people can be incentivized to interact, they can be provided with rewards, bonuses, as well as many other features that are reserved for members. You can also provide exclusive content for members and provide more value for people to sign up as a member. Doing all of this can seem complicated on WordPress, but it actually is pretty easy with a couple of simple plugins. So to do this, all you have to do is log on to your WordPress site. Once you log on to your WordPress site, you are going to go into plugins on the left and then click on add new plugin. Once you click on add new plugin, you're going to search for plugins and you're just going to search for members. Once you search for members, you're going to see a couple of different plugins that are available that allows you to create membership roles. This includes Ultimate Member, which has been a fan favorite of mine. We also have Members by MemberPress, which can allow you to edit user roles and editor plugins. You also have Paid Memberships Pro, which allows you to build a user registration as well as member profile section. You also have Simple Membership and many other plugins. I am going to be using Ultimate Member, so I am going to click on Install over here. Once I click on Install, it only takes a couple of seconds for it to be installed, and then you're just going to click on Activate. Once you click on Activate over here, your plugin is now going to be activated. You're going to find it in the plugin section. And from here, you can just click on Settings, and this will lead you to your Ultimate Member settings. Now, over here, you have a lot of different settings, including General and Access settings as well. Now, in your general settings, you will have user pages. So who can access user pages, what are the default pages, all of that can be seen over here. First, just click on Ultimate Member on the left and you will see a basic dashboard. Now, after that, you're going to allow Ultimate Member to create pages for your users. So click on Create Pages over here. And once you have done that, your pages will be created. This includes the user, login, registration, members, logout, account, and password reset page. Click on Save Changes at the bottom, and now your new pages are live for members. Then you can see your Access tab. So you can build some restricted content. So global site access is going to be accessible to everyone. Restricted post title, replace the restricted post title, restricted content, enable content restriction settings for these particular posts. So let's say I want certain posts and pages to only be restricted to members. Now with Ultimate Member, I can do that. And when I'm creating new pages and new content, I can select if I want to make this restricted or not. Then we have different types of emails that I can send out to my recipients. So these can be the members that are signing up, account welcome mails, a deactivation mail, and other types of mails. I don't like to mess around with the mail settings. They are pretty much standard as well as the appearance one. Then we have our advanced settings, which includes cache user profile, remove data on uninstall, as well as required field asterisks. Now, these are just personal preferences on how you want to set them up. And we're going to go into user roles on the left, and you will see different types of roles that you can set up. This includes subscribers, and you can add a specific role for subscribers. You can click on edit, and let's say they are force hiding admin bar, can delete other member accounts, can edit their profile, delete their account. These are all the profile accesses and other types of role infos. Now, this just depends on how you want to set up your mods. For mods and stuff, you can add different permissions. And then after that, you have a simple member directory, which will allow you to see all the people that have signed up via Ultimate Member onto your site. Now you can go into pages on the left and you will have a simple registration page. So you can click on view over here and you will see all these pages are now included on the top. Now, it's really important to format these because by default, Ultimate Member just adds everything. So you're going to click on Edit Site and you can just structure these out a little to make it look a bit more visually stunning. So on the top, you will have your navigation and you can click on Edit on your navigation and you're going to click on Edit Page List and you can remove certain pages that are not relevant and you can customize the appearance of this as well. So firstly, I'm going to go back into my header and you guys can see all of these bits over here. I'm going to remove the shop page and I'm going to go on ahead, go into login, home, and I'm going to, yeah, I think this looks fine, but it still is a bit too crowded. So for that, we can open this up in Elementor to edit the navigation a bit more. But you have justify items to the right, center, as well as vertical alignments. We have our parent group as a blocked group. So you can do another really simple thing, and that is to break down these navigation panels. So you can just break this down over here. This would be the ultimate member navigation panel, okay? And then you can click on add and you can add a separate panel for navigation between the actual pages on your WordPress site. Now, if you view your site by clicking on view site on the top left, you would be able to see how your navigation looks. You can also go into appearance on the left, go into themes, and depending on the type of theme that you are using, you can edit it accordingly. Now, I want to edit a lot of this via Elementor because I find that, Elementor editing is just easier to do rather than having to edit everything from here. You can see I have a logout section here. I have a order section, addresses, account details, all of that is present there. So instead of having the logout directly in the main panel, I'll just remove that from there as well because all of these options are available within a member's profile. So we're going to click on edit and then we can go back and alter the navigation menu that is present on every page on our site. So we're just going to wait for this to be loaded up. And once it has been loaded up, we're going to go into navigation. I'm going to remove a couple of pages such as the logout member section. And again, we have the logout section, password reset, and instead, I'm only going to include the registration and then my account section, not even the my account section, because people can click on this icon over here to be able to go on to their own profile. And just like that, we've built our own membership website using WordPress. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.